Everyone, this is Tim from Your PS4 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your DNS errors on your PlayStation 4. So there's a couple different things that we can do. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to change your DNS. So let's go on over to Network, then go to Set up Internet Connection, and go to your currently connected internet. So I'm going to go to Use Wi-Fi and go down to Custom. Now, under here, you have to choose your Wi-Fi network. So I'm just going to choose Scump on the top right here. And then it's going to bring me to this page where we can go through the setup process. And we want to go to a manual DNS. And there's a couple of different DNSs that we can use. So let's go to automatic for the IP address, do not specify, and then go to manual for the DNS. So for this one, we can just type in the primary DNS for 1.1.1.1, and then go to the secondary DNS and type in 1.0.0.1. So we can try this one out. Now the Google DNS is going to be a little bit different. So if we go to the top here, we can just erase this. This one's going to be 8.8.8. And then the secondary is going to be 8.8.4.4. So you can go ahead and just try this one out and then go to next. Go to automatic for the MTU settings and do not specify. And then we can go to test internet connection and see if this is working. So you can very easily change your DNS right there using that. So just use one of those DNS, the Cloudflare or the Google Open DNS. So you get those two options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your PS4 Studios.